Namaskar, Jai Shri Krishna. This is Mrs. Pushpa Agrawal presenting a summary of the Bhagavad Gita. In the third chapter, we saw Shri Krishna telling Arjun about Karma Yoga and imploring him to walk the path of selfless karma. Here is a summary of the fourth chapter. Shri Krishna continued, Arjun, the knowledge that I have just imparted to you about the imperishable yoga was first given by me many ages ago to the sun. The sun then passed on that knowledge to his progeny Manu, and Manu gave it to King Ikshvaku. Thereafter, it was learnt by many royal sages. On this, Arjun said, Hey Shri Krishna, your birth is quite recent, while the sun originated a long time ago. How can I possibly believe that you gave the knowledge of this yoga to the sun? Shri Krishna answered, Arjun, both you and I have been born many times before the present. I remember all those births, but you do not. Arjun, whenever the world witnesses a grave threat to dharma and the rise of adharma, I incarnate in human form. I appear on earth from time to time to deliver sages, to destroy those who do sinful deeds and to re-establish dharma. Both my form and my deeds are holy. Anyone who knows me in this form and continuously performs karma without attachment while meditating on me, that devotee ultimately attains me. Wise people with their supreme knowledge attain me by following the path shown by the Purans. Some sit and meditate, some others walk the path of Karma Yoga, abandoning worldly temptations and subduing their senses. Each one attains me in the same form in which they worship me. Some people worship gods and goddesses to fulfill their worldly desires. The gods, soon pleased, grant their wishes. However, those who do not believe and harbor doubt get happiness neither in this world nor in the hereafter. Therefore, it is essential to gain knowledge, because only knowledge washes away doubt and ignorance. Arjun, I have created 4 types on the basis of qualities and deeds: Brahmins, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Shudra. Despite doing all this, I do not harbor attachment towards any action, nor do I expect its fruit. This is why, even as I perform my karma, I remain in the state of akarma. That is, even while performing karma, I do not become bound by it. Arjun, like me, fight only for the purpose of doing your karma and surrender all your deeds to me. Do not worry about the result. Your dharma is only to fight. Therefore, renounce the fear, doubt, and sorrow born of ignorance and take up your bow. This is the end of the summary of the 4th chapter. Namaskar. Jai Shri Krishna.